Playful Tales! Come and join the fun today!
Rain! It's raining! The sky to wear my hack boots today! Yes!
Mia, breakfast! And yes, duck boots are allowed.
It knows everything! Stop! Stop! My boots say hello to the rain!
Button up your coat, duckling, all the way to the top.
1 duck, 2 duck, 3 duck, done!
Ready, my little sunshine?
Ready! Let's go, Rain! Mama, that is the most beautiful puddle I have ever seen.
No, Mia.
But Mama, they so be good not to jump in at. Splash! Lily, you're soaking wet! A car and drove past a puddle all over me. The whole puddle? And I forgot my umbrella. And my hair looks like a wet noodle. Wet noodles are still yummy, though. Here, stand under mine. But then we'll both get a little wet. That's what friends are for. You're the kindest person I know. I also have the best duck boots. Let's go inside.
Whoa! Lily got splashed by a whole puddle!
Hi, calm. That wasn't kind. It wasn't her fault.
I was just saying.
How would you feel if that happened to you?
Bad, sorry, Lily.
A warm, dry jumper, a fluffy towel, and a special star hair clip for brave girls.
Miss Rose, thank you so much.
That's what kindness is for, Lily. Always.
Friends, today let's talk about something special. What does kindness look like?
Kindness is helping a hug when they're sad. Kindness is saying sorry when you laughed at someone.
Oh, Mia, that is exactly right.
Art time, friends. Paint what you love about rainy days.
I know exactly what I'm painting. Mia, I made your boots green like your frogs. That is the most beautiful painting I want you to take home.
You can use my blue. It's the best one.
Thank you, Tom.
Your frog boots are actually pretty cool. They have E's on them.
Okay, that is cool. Kindness always wins. Rainbow! Look outside!
Well, look at that. The sun is saying hello again.
The rain did sing kind today. It made a rainbow for us.
Just like kindness, Mia, it always leaves something beautiful behind.
Class, as your teacher, I must warn you that puddle jumping is very serious business.
I'm going to put this on my wall. Forever and always. Right next to your bed so it's the first we match. Lily, no, thank you for your umbrella, for being kind, for being you.
So, my little duckling, what was the very best part of today?
Not the puddle jump, not the fairy lights, not even the rainbow.
Then what?
The part where I shared my umbrella. Because that is when everything got warm.
That's my girl. Kindness always wins. Always.
Kindness always wins. Good night, Mama.